Twitch, X, Kick, everything. And then I wonder if we can actually get all of these running. Oh boy, that's broken that. Bro. Okay, not that one, this one. All right. What do we think? Is this working? Actually, I'll get YouTube on my phone. Yeah, it looks like YouTube's working. What about Twitch? I can't hear shit. Uh, oh, nice. Okay, the webcam, not so nice. Well, I am using my phone with the like algorithm that determines the the like it's kind of hard for me to read chat as well. Pretty much, but it's okay. We'll roll with it for now. I think I'll probably have to, I don't know, move somewhere with better lighting next time or something. I don't know. Is this chat work? What's up, chat? Let's see if chat games works. When I do this, it kind of, hey, it worked. All right, that's good. That's a good thing to know. Um, I was gonna, I don't know, just hang out, go through Discord, and yeah, nothing really planned. I don't think this will be a very long stream either. Still waiting on the TikTok key. Um, and I think that might take a while. But it is what it is. Yo, Ryan, what's up? Trying to see like how I can see the chat the best. I have it on my phone, which is also the camera. That's why every time I go to touch my phone, it makes me disappear. Which is actually pretty useful. Like if I want to disappear, I can just be like, boom, look at the chat. Actually, that's pretty delayed though. Interestingly, oh, not too much. And there's Botrix. This thumbnail kind of sucks. But it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, let's see what links we have. Shout out to Terminally Lazy. Always look at how many links I've posted. Amazing. Bolt New. We tried. Was it last stream? 2 streams ago. Last public stream at least. I feel like I'll probably unlist this as well. Like it's not gonna be that interesting. Liquid. Actually, I didn't really cover Liquid that much. So you want to look into Liquid. So they came out with these models, these Liquid models. They have a 1.3B, a 3B, and a 40B mixture of experts. And they're outperforming pretty much everything in their class, right? Or the amount of parameters that they have, active parameters. So they're saying the 40B model has like 14B active parameters, so you can kind of run it in the VRAM as if it was a 14B model. I think that's what it means. But it's okay. So the only thing they're judging this on is the MMLU Pro, which, if I'm not mistaken, is a benchmark for like kind of reasoning. Is that right? MMLU, language understanding. I don't know. I'm not sure exactly what the reasoning is. Ryan says they love the updated Excel sheet. Oh, what did that change? Can't even remember, man. It's so hard to keep up. Hey, let's have a look at the latest updates on the Excel sheet. Yo, Johnny Solomon, what's up? Okay, October 8th, I made this change. Doesn't show the changes on. I have to actually go to the tab. I think I like coding tools. I've just made. Okay, let's just look at the latest version. We have coding tools. This was kind of like the main thing, but I've said like the market has moved so fast that it's hard to keep this list updated. So I kind of put, Aider, Claude Dev, Cursor, like they're the best. There's no real doubting that, I think. Um, but there's so many more players. What's AC1? Adaptive Computer. See, I haven't even tried this, I don't think. I think some people in Discord had tried this and they said it was pretty good, but they don't have full limits. Yo, Blair AI. Oh, Keegan, what's up? Unfortunately, I can't see. What is that saying, Ryan? I can't see on. Maybe I should move the chat up. Can't see on Twitch. Can't see what on Twitch? I can see Twitch. Can't see what? Oh, what the hell? Coding multi-stream chat games. Okay, interesting. So I'm using a new plugin, Atom Multi-Stream, to stream to different platforms now. I'm not exactly sure what defines the title of the stream. Oh, that's pretty annoying. It looks like I have to kind of write that every time. Is that right? The stream. You can't see the stream at all. But you can hear me? What? That's weird. I can definitely see it. Look. Let's refresh. Oh, you're right. Now it says offline. What the hell? That's super weird. What does knock do? You cannot call in to join your own stream. Oh, you can join other people's streams. That's pretty sick. Make AC1 a script. What? All right, let me move chat up because I can't really freaking see it. There we go. That should be better. Um, I'm not sure what happened to Twitch. I could restart it, but it's not a good long-term solution. You need to make a basic site of all the AI tools you've shown with affiliate links. Yeah, that'd be pretty good. Um, there's just so many. And like the ones I really like, I don't think they provide affiliate links. Like none of these do. Wait, does Cursor? I don't think so. Let's play people probably. Oh, they do. Wait, really? Oh, is there? No, it's a question. Nope. Yeah, I don't think they have that. All right, let's just go through my tabs, I guess. Agents. Okay, this is also old now, but actually, it's not that old. What's tasking AI? Man, there's so many. I just forget about them. Langflow, Flowwise, Agency, Zero Agent. There's just so many. Tasking AI. Inference Retrieval Assistant. Developer-friendly cloud platform for building and running LLM agents for AI native applications. Bit of a mouthful. Sleek console. Okay, let's have a look. I actually think I did try this, and I thought it was pretty good, right? Did I give it a rating? I don't think so. It's just like, I don't know, it just seems so. Build AI agents. Okay, agents, end to end. Okay, it's one of those agent kind of like assistant things. Yeah. Key concepts project, model retrieval tool assistant. Do they have a tool library? Or like integrations? Let's have a look. Settings, API plugins. Plugins are approved with third-party services. Where's the plugin library? Oh, maybe they don't have one. I don't know, not too obvious. It's just like, yeah, it seems like a lot to learn to be even able to use that tool. All right, use cases. This is cool. I had like a whole list of use cases like crawl data from websites, sort emails, and I wanted to try different agents on these tasks, but like all of them were kind of, I mean, I didn't really get very far, but it seemed like they weren't even like ready to do that kind of stuff yet. Um, yeah, sucks about Twitch. I'm not sure why Twitch is broken. Sometimes it's because of my, and so many technical difficulties. Sometimes it's because of like the resolution that I'm streaming at. That could be the case. I don't know. It's 1920. Should be fine. Like it's just basic 1080p. So I'm gonna have to blame this plugin. Yeah. Video settings, main encoder, audio settings. Yeah. Could be the video encoder. I don't know. We can have a look at Kick as well and see if that is also broken. Let's see. Kick looks fine. It's just Twitch. Now, what about X? Actually, that's a good question too. I'd be surprised if it works on X. It hardly ever works on X. And just as I suspected, it doesn't work on X. Oh yeah, also, Dracarys 2, which is supposed to be the world's best open source model for coding. I think what benchmark is this? Eval Plus? I don't know. But Ader did did I post that? Yeah, Ader, on Ader's benchmark, it actually performed worse than DeepSeek, but still for a 72B model, it's pretty good. I guess, okay, looks like it's only slightly better than Qwen 2.5, which I think is what it was fine-tuned from. Yep. So no real surprises there. But we can have a look. I'm kind of curious. I have some other benchmarks. I think Big Code Bench is an interesting one. Let's see if it's on this. And Dracarys. Okay, it's here at 22nd. So it's actually worse than Llama 370B. How does Quen perform here? Oh, Quen is even lower. How does this benchmark work? I think it combines. Oh no, it has their own set of instructions. This is hard or full. Full could be different. I mean, there's been. It's almost like they're like, oh wow, reflection got so hyped and turned out to be nothing, so let's just make our own nothing. I'm kidding, but not really. ReflectionCoder. What the hell? I've never even heard of this. Must be new. ReflectionCoder is a novel approach that leverages reflection sequences and coding. That's pretty cool. That seems to be the latest trend these days. Although, June 8th, that seems pretty ahead of its time. Before the Reflection Llama fine tune. Oh no, here's the Reflection Llama fine tune. Damn, 8th. That's actually pretty good. Wait, what? Did Matt Schumer like fix reflection? Like I haven't heard the latest on that. What's this, Matt Schumer? Um, remember seeing a transcription Mac app that personalizes the text based on the context. That's pretty cool. What is that? Flow voice. What does that even mean? My reproduction of reflection from the dataset is now complete, and unfortunately the model didn't achieve the benchmarks originally reported. Okay. I'm disappointed that seems to be the final outcome, especially given how promising the results looked. In retrospect, that excitement and launch was premature, and I'm thankful to the open source community for all their help in testing it. I'm going to continue testing the models just to make sure, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Well, who tests for Big Code Bench? 70V. When was this? 1 month ago. 1 month ago. Okay, so this doesn't look like it was updated until 1 month ago. So it's kind of, I don't know. It's a bit weird how it's so high here. Big Code Bench. I don't know. My favorite is still the Ada leaderboard for coding. That seems to be the most reflective of how everything feels for me. Yo, Bartek, what's up, man? And yeah, so O1 preview, Claude Sonnet, DeepSeek 4.0, Mini, O1 Mini, and yeah, okay. I mean, this adds up. This is saying Dracarys is, if you don't count DeepSeek Coder V2, because that is open source, but I'm pretty sure it's like hella big, like hundreds of um wait, they think DeepSeek V2 is better than 2.5? Like hundreds of billions of parameters. V2. Oh wow, V2 is better than 2.5. DeepSeek Coder V2. Coder V2 instruct, okay. This, how many billions of parameters? Oh, they have different sizes, but I'm pretty sure like the big one, yeah, 236. So it's like no one's running that, really. I don't think, unless you have like a big cluster or, you know, many different devices working together. I don't think we're gonna be able to run DeepSeek V2. Still pretty cool though. Whereas Dracarys, I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it. 72B, that's runnable. Seems like it's the best model to run for coding. Like I think, I don't know actually. Can you even run 72B? I feel like you still need a super beefy computer and it'll be slow as. So probably not even realistic to be honest, but possible. Not realistic, but it is possible. All right, what was I gonna search now? Okay, yeah, I think I have some more leaderboards to double check. There's an eval plus leaderboard, but they never update this. They just stopped. They've given up. Yeah, they don't update this. Open LLM leaderboard. This one isn't really coding based, so I don't think they have a column for coding. So I don't really care about that too much, as most of my yeah. Anyway, I don't think that's really changed what we should use. I think it's still pretty much Sonnet. Like O1 Preview is just too expensive to realistically use. Sonnet and DeepSeek is kind of the go-to, and I also use a bunch of Gemini Pro. which is decent, and free, which is the main thing. Yo, Alekian, good to see you, man. What are you saying? What do I think about E triple E Extreme? I don't know what that is. It's a programming competition. I don't know. I don't think I've even heard of this. So yeah, I don't think much. 24 hours of competitive programming. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, this is like what I think in general about competitive programming. It's like a niche sport. Um, it's very cool, but doesn't really interest me, nor do I think it's very practical, right? I don't know. I don't really know too much about it, so I don't feel right making that judgment either. But yeah, let's just keep going through this hardware devices. I haven't really heard too much about these. These were kind of personal hardware devices. I guess you got the Meta Ray-Bans. These are like AI devices, but yeah, nothing really noteworthy has happened there. Web browsing agents. I have to shameless plug myself here. Clickless cage. Chat interfaces. This one I'm actually really interested about. A lot of people said they really like Misty. It is an open source, so it seems like it has some good features. I've also been using OpenWebUI. I've really liked that, though. Though actually, that's a good thing. Let's try the cloud. I just, I'm not doing that much like privacy concerned stuff, so I don't really need to run it locally, which is how I was testing it. So I'm gonna try their cloud version if I can. Ooh, let me hide my screen while I make an account. Well, look, there's two cameras now. How funny is that? That's hilarious. I do have two cameras set up. Okay, I um I created an account. Yeah, this is OpenWebUI. You can, where's the settings? You can chat to different models. I thought, like when you run it locally, you bring your own API key, but oh, here we go. But it seems like, I don't know, it seems like, oh, is Flux Pro? How does this work? Function Flux Pro. Wow, you can have your own custom Python code. What happens if I click get? Oh no, you still need to run it locally? What? Wait, what? How do you models prompts, create a model, add a model, model ID. Okay, this is quite different to what it is when you run it locally. Well, the chat is still too high. Maybe I should move it. um, Yo, Loki, I'm gonna move the chat. I'm gonna move it. Mm, 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 mm. I'm gonna move the chat over here and then move the stuff over here like that. The hell is that? Oh, this is chat here. Um, think I can also make it bigger as well. Well, I made it smaller. All right. Simulation exposed. Hilarious. Okay, that's better. Now I can read chat. But I'm blocking the screen. Man, why do I make streaming so difficult? I've seen people just stream off their phone pointing to the camera. Works well enough. I guess those people were only on TikTok, but I don't know. I have hope that we'll figure it out. We'll figure out a good system. Like there was periods of my creator career where we were in good momentum, streaming often, making hella clips, doing well, and I've just been out of that rhythm, that momentum for so long, and it's hard to get back. Oh well, we'll keep trying. We don't give up. Okay. So yeah, this is kind of weird. This I don't know, let's just try one of these featured models. Can we? There's like a get, but we have to import it from a hosted URL or some shit, or download the export and run it locally. I thought there was an OpenWebUI cloud. Maybe this isn't it. Uh, was that it? Looked like that was it. Okay. So I kind of want like a cloud hosted thing. That's why I like Big-AGI. That has been my homie for so long. Um, the one issue is, I guess, because it's hosted, you need to either like port forward or something to be able to like run with local models. But I mean, I pretty much use, yeah, I've hooked up my Gemini thing. So I can use Gemini for free here. I've also, okay, one thing that they don't have is RAG. Um, but I think some big things, probably maybe including RAG, is coming because they're saying Big-AGI 2 is launching in Q4 2024. Be the first to experience it. So that's pretty exciting. And I actually reached out to Enrico and I'm like, when is this coming? What can we expect? And he's like, it seems like he's been like working really hard on it. And what he is going, he hasn't told me, but like he told me that what he is working on is kind of secretive, like he hasn't told anyone. So I don't know, pretty interesting. It seems like it might be something unique if it's secretive. Um, doesn't want other people to find out. I don't know. Well, it's pretty interesting to check. We also have anything LLM. I think I have that as well. This stuff is good. Anything has RAG and it works with all models. You just have to run it locally. I don't think they have a cloud. Let's double check. Oh, they do, but you have to pay $50 a month, which is quite a lot for me. Big-AGI Bionic GPT doesn't. Did we come across this? On-premise replacement for ChatGPT. Looks like it could be open source. I don't think it was very feature dense, but very focused on security. Yes. And enterprise. Let me just check my notifications here. Okay. We good. GPT-4 is also good. Evo Ninja, I think, is kind of dead. Google AI Studio, I mean, I just love Gemini, and I think you can use it there for free. You can even upload videos. This is actually, I think Google AI Studio is so underrated. You can upload videos. I don't know what the, you can't upload videos directly though, I don't think. Can you? Oh, you can now. No, no, upload a file to Google Drive. Yeah, yeah. You have to upload it through Drive, which is fine. Um, oh, there's also sample media. Yeah, I think you can upload like 30 minutes of video and ask questions about video, and it actually analyzes the like visually the frames of the video. Yo, Richie says, did you miss a stream? Are you on Twitch? I gotta tell everyone on Twitch that it's kind of broken. Yo, Rich, Twitch broken. YouTube good. I don't know why Twitch is broken, man. Kind of sad. What I can do is use Restream. I might do that. I might just use Restream. I can stream on Twitch and X through Restream pretty easily. So let me just set that up real quick. Let me fix it for my Twitch fam. I probably, I got LinkedIn and X set. We're gonna do X and Twitch instead. And let's see, add a stream. Can I do that still? That's pretty cool. Other service, Restream. And I'm gonna have to copy my API key. Can I hide the camera? Nope, I should have done that before. Hide my screen, add Restream. Okay. I gotta say I'm using aerospace now, and I think it's pretty nice. Oh shit, what did I set the, no, oops. This is actually not that. All right, let's see if it works on X now. That would be pretty interesting. Yo, it does. This is the only way I'm able to stream on X through Restream. I reckon, you know what? I'm gonna put myself in the top right. I think that's good. That way I don't block the new chat messages and I don't block the what's being shown on screen. It just kind of looks weird, especially since I'm like looking that way. But we can flip horizontally, yes. And we can also move this down. Oh, it doesn't really change much. Okay. Yo, what's up? The burrito, good to see you. I also wonder if I can add, does this pop up? Oh shit. Wait, I think it can. I think I can add this to chat games as well. But this will mean that we have the double, wait, we'll have double messages. Oh my god, this is so much. How do I add a new source? Other chat. This. Activate. I guess I can deactivate Twitch, maybe? Wait. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Restream chat is ready. Let's test out an X comment. It must be super late at night. I'm in Thailand right now, so it's 8:51. But yeah, I think in Australia, where I normally am, it's 12:51. Okay, let's see if that comes through. Guess we'll also test out Twitch as well. Nice. Okay, excellent. Wait, why isn't Twitch working still? Oh, I think I have to turn off this. Alright, let's see. Let me restart it on Restream. Can we reconnect? Oh, here we go. Come on. Nice. Come on. Okay, I think it's... No? No, it's still broken. I have no idea. I think some people said like you make Twitch your main thing. I don't know. It's kind of sad. All right, let me think. What were we doing before I got distracted? Oh yeah, testing, checking out chat um front end. So yeah, Gemini AI Studio, obviously you got ChatGPT, Claude, Chat LLM. OpenRouter. This one is one I didn't know that OpenRouter actually has their own front end. Um, that is pretty cool. So I assume it just uses your API key that you like, yeah, your billing that you've set up on OpenRouter, but you can chat by clicking the chat button here with like all the flagship models. That's pretty cool, right? And yeah, ask him a question and it'll generate from all three of them. Do they have, like, let's go new room. Was there a button for, okay, hold on. Yeah, I mean, we put new room. How do I remove all the models? Clear models, here we go. Clear models, nice. Best coding models. Oh, this is really cool, best roleplay models. But what if I want all free models? Liquid, yeah, you can just kind of search for free. Get all the free models. And generate a 12-line poem from both free models. And that should be free. So that's pretty cool. Do you know if ElevenLabs have the best TTS? Are there any better? I'm pretty sure ElevenLabs definitely had the best TTS. I know like some other startups have started doing it, but I'm probably still ElevenLabs is the best. But yeah, I couldn't think of a name for another one. I've been looking for a Chrome extension to read out pages for me, but I'm not satisfied with any of them, so I thought I might build my own with ElevenLabs. Oh, interesting. Have you tried Recast? I think Recast is pretty cool. There's also Notebook LM, which is gone crazy. I think they're kind of similar. Notebook LM and Recast. But yeah, if you just wanted to read it word by word, like, because those two kind of change it into a podcast. But if you just wanted to read it out, yeah, I guess making something with ElevenLabs would be really cool. Okay, more chat interfaces. Let's see. Ninja Chat and Misty. I think like I'll put Misty up, even though this isn't technically ordered, but people say Misty's pretty good. What else do we have? Automations. Might delete this, I think. I haven't really populated that. Voice APIs. This shit is interesting. Vappy was great. There was another one that was really good. Wait, what was it called? Melissa AI? I guess I didn't add that, but Melissa AI with two L's. That one was also really good. Melissa AI. There's also, what was that? TubeCat or something? What was that cat voice AI? Oh man, I forgot what it was called. Pipecat. Yeah, Pipecat. I think this one's pretty good too. Open source framework for voice. Yeah, Pipecat AI. Okay, it's good that we've documented these because, like I almost did, I thought it was TubeCat. Yeah, notebook LM takes time to process. That's true. It will take some time for ElevenLabs, but yeah, probably way less, right? I assume. What's this? 2K AI dump. Yeah, this is just a dump from some random thing. Create websites. We got Soloist now. Another website creating things. I mean, there's so many. I just can't think of them. You could also use the coding things, like fucking WebSim. I love WebSim. All right, that's a quick recap of the rubric. I feel like we're so close to having. I like this setup. I think this is better than what we started. I can read chat. The camera quality and the background removal look terrible though. So I could like not remove the background. That is an option. With that looks like this. Let's see how that looks. It's okay. I think I'd maybe have a cooler background if I was doing that. Like put this. I'm using this light, but we could if my face was lit, which it isn't. We could have like I've had like colored backgrounds like that, like purple. Yeah, something like that. If my face was lit, no, I have this, but I probably have to change locations. I got a pretty nice setup. I mean, pretty nice room. Do a room tour. I mean, oh, actually, I need to be plugged in. But yeah, Purple Man. That's What was the paper which Google released about the technology which powers notebook LM speech? Oh, I don't remember hearing about that. I'm not sure. Um, does that make it better or worse? I think worse. Like this. Okay, that's better. Stream is okay. Don't overthink it. Yeah. Thanks. I appreciate the help. Yeah. I guess it's more so now what to stream next. And I want to do like a project. Let me show you my ideas, I guess. I think we've did I go through this before? Yeah, I did actually. Um yeah, there's a lot. I think what I'm most kind of interested in is like I don't know. I'll have to figure that out. Well, lots of random ideas. I also have like video title ideas, but it just feels I guess I definitely am overthinking it. But it feels like so much harder to get started than where I was. Like I haven't posted a TikTok in like 2 weeks. 2 weeks ago, that means when I was back in Australia, I like just started with those 100-day to 100x engineer. And I really like that idea. 100 tips for 100x engineers because I think that's a niche I want to do. Um, it's just I can't match this quality with this my gear. Yes. Like that level of green screen that I'm doing here, I just can't do it. I mean, I can do it manually. So for that green screen here, I was using fucking NVIDIA broadcast. But if I want to do it now, I'd have to do it in post with like Adobe After Effects rotoscoping. Which is doable. I'm optimistic though. I think I'll definitely be back with like the momentum and stuff. It's just yeah, it's just been a bit of a struggle to get started. Hey Richie, you made it to YouTube? Are you still on Twitch? I think Twitch is broken, man. I'm sorry. I don't know. Hopefully, I don't know how I'll fix it. I think I'll have to make my main streaming thing Twitch. It's fine. As Kai said, I'm definitely overthinking it, but I think it's good to think at least somewhat about quality and stuff. But yeah, man. Thoughts on the new MacBooks which are gonna come with their AI features? Let's have a look. I mean, honestly, I don't really know too much about them. Apple is releasing the M4 chip with Apple Intelligence. It uses Apple Silicon to understand. Yeah, I don't think this is anything revolutionary. How much is the M4 going to be better than the M3? That's a good question. Let's have a look. 60 times faster than the A11. How much faster is it than an M3 is kind of what I'm curious about. M4 versus M3 speed? Well, maybe not speed, but M3 versus M4. Let's see what this people says. 120 gigabytes per second unified memory band. Okay, here we go. Total cores 8, 9, 10, 25 billion, 28 billion. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's like that much huge of an upgrade. And also look at this memory. Memory is actually super important for running AI models. Um, so I don't know. It looks like the max is 16 here, but it was 24 gigs before. But one thing to note is like there are architectures of CPUs or like NPUs as in Snapdragon, and looks like Apple now is calling them. So the NPUs supposedly run at a way less energy demanding way than the CPUs run. So it could be the case that these M4s, if they're like NPU architecture, whatever that means, it's just way more efficient for running AI stuff. But I'm not sure if that's really the case because in like Microsoft's case, I'm pretty sure the NPU is separate to the CPU. But in Apple's case, I'm pretty sure that it's all one NPU, GPU, CPU. Yeah, 10 GPU cores. Did they mention NPU at all? Okay. Apple's neural engine is equivalent to Intel's NPU. It's a dedicated chunk of silicon made for AI. While the core counts haven't changed, the M4 16 core is rated to 38 teraflops. Or wait, that's not teraflops, that's operations per second. Trillion operations per second? Maybe that is teraflops. Floating point operations per second. Or trillions of operations per second, 20 tops, more than the M3. Okay. So if the M3 is what I think they're saying here is the M3 has what's 20 minus 30? 18 trillion operations per second, but the M4 has 38. That's almost twice as much. Okay, so that's pretty promising if it's actually like twice as fast. What's chat saying? Wait, let me read chat. I can read chat like this. I think it's useful to have AI embedded in the hardware level. Yeah, definitely. Definitely. I think that's where we're going. I think they can create a good user experience. Like control. Yep. Apple has been really good at like controlling the whole ecosystem and making it really well work together. which is good for people that are using the whole ecosystem, but makes it kind of annoying for everyone else who has, like me, a Samsung phone, for instance, but using a MacBook. Um, and the operating system, like with their AI features, would be cool. Anyone have a laptop with an NPU? Not me. Okay. Yeah. No. Seems pretty bullish just based on the tops alone. Everything else, the specs looks about the same. I'm a bit concerned about the memory capacity as well. But in terms of the operating points per second, it looks like it's almost twice as fast, which is really, really cool. Really cool. Yeah. That's that, man. So, what are we thinking? Anyone else have anything they want me to check out? What was that Riley Brown video? I'm building an app that writes viral content just by yapping.
That would take all of my messy voice notes and I could record them into a single thread. And then I would use this AI preset to create what I call a composition, something ready to be refined and filmed with as little friction as possible. Is my first yap letter. I'm going outside and just simply recording my voice. What topics are you most excited to yap about in your newsletter? Everything in our lives are just threads of yaps, but they're not organized very well. That's a good question. The things that I want to talk about most are learning by creating. Without perspective, AI sucks at writing. You can't say, write a script in the style of Alex Hormozy, because Alex Hormozy's videos have tons of examples that are based on his own experiences. AI doesn't have experiences. If you give it enough perspectives, then it can just speak our ideas. We don't have to worry about structure until the end, which we can then turn into a yap letter, right? That is what we're doing here. There it is. It just popped in, and we can now open this in clean markdown format. Welcome to my first yap letter, where I'm diving straight into this exciting new tool I'm developing, Yap Thread. So this is Yap Thread, and I've just recorded a yap. I went for a walk and recorded a bunch of yaps in a thread. You don't need to be organized. That's the point of this. The AI features within this app does all of the organizing. So I can press this little icon here at the top. Let's do a short form hooks with outlines. So that I took all of the best hooks from on TikTok and Instagram, all with over 1 million views. And I basically put them into this custom prompt, and I put in a bunch of logic that I use when I'm creating hooks because, I have over 50 videos with over 1 million views. I've done this before. And I'm trying to embed all of that knowledge into these compositions, everything that I've learned about content creation. Oh, and one of the best features is it literally lists questions right here. You see this at the end? What challenges might you face in implementing web clips across different platforms? Have you considered?
This is really cool, man. I really like Riley. Like, yeah, he gets a bunch of criticism, but just generally, like his passion is amazing. His creativity is good. I think his ideas, like this yap idea, is so cool. I definitely use something like this. I think looks like he's got a landing page. Probably has a wait list. Yeah, I'll join. Fuck hell. Okay. Um, Not a bad idea. This Yap AI. Yeah, I thought so too. Are Google Coral TPU any good for old laptops? I'm not sure. I haven't heard anyone rave about it, but I've heard people suggest the coral things a lot. Yeah, I do this with advanced voice mode and ChatGPT's memory. Yeah, dude, ChatGPT. Yeah, I talk to ChatGPT. Not all the time, but I just love voice AI so much, and it's a real shame that it's not more easy to use. Like I still don't have a voice AI app that can be my virtual assistant. I'm really surprised at that. Like it just there's nothing that does it well. Like something like Lindy or I mean Nexus. We've tried Nexus before, and like they have it. But they did it with the phone, which is I wish they have it for. Actually, they might now. Let's have a look at their Discord. I mean, I don't know if they do, but they have announcement. Gmail integration on June 24th. Yeah. Yeah, it was super cool. They didn't announce the phone thing, did they? Hmm, weird. Make one. I should make one. I should make one, shouldn't I? You need OS level control, which Apple will implement. I don't think you need OS level control, but yeah. Dude, do you think Apple will implement Siri that can like pretty much open interpreter, like talk to your computer? I wouldn't be surprised. I bet Apple is getting a lot of data on how to use a MacBook, which then they can create. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. Hey, Cataclysm. I think when they release O1 proper, it can reason across and connect to different APIs. I mean, you don't even need that much reasoning. You just need the connectors to work really easily. There's some issue with like linking OpenAI assistants to Gmail with like the auth. I don't know, it seems so stupid. I've tried it like a few times because I think OpenAI assistant is so easy to get up and running and like connecting APIs, but linking it with the fucking wait, do I have Lindy in my rubric? Like what section would that be? Lindy. This doesn't check across multiple sheets, unfortunately. Agents. Oh yeah, agents. Probably would be in here. Um, Let me just add Lindy here. Simple mind prognosis. From what I've tried, like Lindy is very nice. Um, but I don't think they had voice. R1 released their LAM. Have I tried IDX? Yeah, I have. Um, LAM playground experiment.
Hey everyone, I'm back with my R1 and I had to make a super video highlighting a couple more experiments I've done with the large action model LAM Playground. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use it to add movies to your Netflix watch list and how you can search for games on Xbox.com and even tell the R1 to start downloading them for you so that when you get home, they're ready to play. Before you keep watching, would you please take a moment, hit subscribe.
Also on Bolt, yeah, Bolt was sick. Seems very capable. The UI is great. It's just I've only tried it once. I tried it to get it to do something which would have been really good with like a Python server, but it seems like it's very biased and or maybe only does like web apps and web server stuff.
Subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I appreciate everyone who leaves comments below. All right, hope you enjoy these experiments. Go to netflix.com, select my profile, Adam, search for Daniel Day-Lewis.
Does bro have fucking this music?
Select the first result and hold. Is the one with navigating on the profile name.
It's not really like they released the LAM. They released the LAM Playground, which is still freaking awesome, man. You teach your R1 stuff. I did Claude Dev and Klein already. I did it when it was Claude Dev when they released that. Actually, even before that, yeah, I've tried it a few times. They keep updating it, so I'll just keep waiting. So far, pretty much like I'm really liking just using Aider. That's been fun. Yeah, I have my Gmail bot here. Looks like you can talk. Like, can you get my latest email about a TikTok collaboration? Oh shit. Oh shit. Can you get my latest email about a TikTok collaboration? There we go. So, yeah, it's a bit manual, but I don't mind that. If this works on the phone, is there a Lindy app? List emails deprecated. Yeah, this looks good. Um, what's their pricing? I think I remember their pricing being a bit annoying. 400 free credits every month. That's pretty decent. Um, $29 a month for 3,000 credits. What is a credit? It depends on task length and complexity. Tasks that process hundreds of rows are more complex. Premium actions. What counts as a task? Task is defined as everything Lindy does after being triggered by a message or event. Each task consumes at least one credit. So how much did that one task cost me? Doesn't look like it used any credit, interestingly. Or we can assume that's one. That's pretty good, like 400 things a month, or you pay $30 a month and you get 3,000 and you have a knowledge base. That's pretty sick. Um, what are the competitors to Lindy like? I'm not sure. I think I missed out on some chat. What are we saying? Since day one, we need AI Nintendos. Oh, yeah, I remember you saying that, Keegan. That a mobile allows you to train their own avatar. Wait, what? Mobile game, train their own avatar with video. Am I up late? Yeah, on my normal Australia time, this is pretty late. I definitely wouldn't be streaming this time. The reader got Ada recently. He was using it on an iPad with GitHub code faces. That's sick. Yeah, I think this is kind of like what I want to do is like work more in browser-based IDEs if possible. Yeah. Did I see AI King's Project IDX plus client? It's a really good workflow. I've been using it for a while now. Oh, sick. I saw the thumbnail. I haven't clicked it. Why not N8N? From my experience, N8N seemed a lot harder to set up, or like, does it have a chat? Like, it's like a workflow thing. Do they also have a chat interface? And I guess you could set it up. Like, it's like, it seems very manual. Whereas Lindy, it's like, it's kind of real. It was so easy to set up Lindy. That's what I was, oh yeah, Lindy's available on mobile. That's pretty good. Honestly, like, I might start using Lindy a lot more. What are the competitors to Lindy? I know there's Nexus GPT. Um, don't think they have a mobile app. Simplified drift wheels. No, none of these is it. Let's try like there's an AI for that. Voice agent. Let's see what they have for voice agents. Millis AI. Oh, they're featured. I wonder how much they're paying for that. Vappy's here. 9 bookmarks. Agent 4. Call answering. So these are verified. Personal assistant. Sales message chat. AI. This is a really cool interface they have here. Voice flow. $50 a month. All right, what if I search for like Lindy and then I click it? Do we get like the competitors or the similars? Low latency, developer friendly, pros and cons. This is really cool. This is so cool. All right, what's Messiah AI? Voice clone, any clone of any person. Seems like a toy. Go back to chat. Can you use Aider on an iPhone 15? Yeah, so I think whoever was at Cataclysm said they're using it in GitHub code spaces. So they're not even running the thing. It's just they're running it through the browser. So yeah, like, but Aider itself like doesn't really need any requirements. It's if you want to use it on an iPhone, you'd have to use it through something else, like either like a terminal app or SSHing into something else, or code spaces slash IDX slash there's like another IDE on the browser, Lightning AI, like stuff like that. I mentioned that to you in your Discord, really good IDX and client and Aider. Yeah, I think I remember someone saying that. Have you been using Perplexity much? Yes, I actually have. Perplexity is so good. It's pretty much taken over my Google usage. I just ask Perplexity instead of Googling stuff because it just gives you a more direct answer a lot of the time. Probably put this here so y'all can read it. Oh shit, does that fuck that up? Shit. Okay, I think that's fine. Yeah, where were we? All right, Lindy. Alternatives, perfect. I mean, I really like this site. There's an AI for that. Although these responses aren't very good. So what do they define Lindy as? They define it as a they don't. Oh, task automation. Yo, Marble is in this feature. This is really sick. How long have we been live for? I think I might wrap this up pretty soon. Has it been an hour? I want to stream for an hour. Yes, it has. Okay, sweet. Yeah, I mean, we'll leave chat open until... What are my top AI creators? Good question. Yeah, I really like, as I said, Riley's... what was it? Riley Brown. I really like their passion. And they talk a lot about AI coding. I think they're cool. They're more active on Twitter these days, it seems. AI Code King. They work really hard. Every day they're posting a video and they're related to my niche of coding with AI. They're great. Who else is good? Indie Dev Dan. I love Indie Dev Dan. They take it a bit further in terms of like complexity and seniority, and they're actually like a pretty good developer that uses Aider and like all these tools really well. DeBurrito says MLST is our favorite. What's MLST? Machine Learning Street Talk. Okay. Looks like, yeah, long podcast. A bit more in depth. I'm sure there's more that I like. Let me try to think of one more. Matthew Berman is just like top quality, but he's a bit more on the surface level and less on the coding stuff, which is what I like. Yeah. Cataclysm says Jay Gravel is also one. Yeah, but there's a lot. Those are just some of my top. Oh yeah, this guy with the autogrok, right? Yeah, yeah. Yeah. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this stream. I'm gonna cut it off here, and reckon I'll stream tomorrow too. I reckon this is the first step in me bringing back the momentum. And yeah, I really want to get back in the momentum of just like smashing out streams, videos, software, all the cool stuff like I was before and many times. But just at the moment, I've just been a bit disappointed in the content output. But on the flip side, I have been having a lot of fun in real life. I've been having a lot of fun these past 2 weeks in Thailand, so yeah. Do I use Cursor? I don't use it after watching AI Cooking. Yeah, AI Cooking hates on Cursor so much. I did use Cursor a lot after they released Composer. I think Cursor's great. It's definitely in my top three. But these days, just to save on money, like I haven't been coding too much, and when I do, I use Azure, and I just, like, if it's not too complex, I just use like Gemini 1.5 Pro, and it can do pretty much exactly what I need. Well, yeah, pretty much what I need. Yeah, Cursor's great though. Alright guys, thanks so much. Let me leave you with something interesting. Do I have something interesting? Not really. Do I have a stream ending? I don't have a stream ending. There's like a techfren.net / goodbye? No, thank you. I think it's thank you. Yeah, thank you guys. Okay, let me add this. This looks different. Maybe I'll just leave it like this. The wrap. I don't have the wrap ready on hand, like as a file, because it was on my old computer. I have it on my hard drive, which I did bring. But yeah, that's kind of what I was thinking of, was like, oh shit, there's 2 chat windows now? Oh no, it's just, actually yeah, we can change that. Because I think this is the, yeah. All right. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you later.